Hello everyone! Let's explore our monthly budget spreadsheet and learn how to set it up step by step. Step 1. Click the file link you downloaded from Etsy. When the link opens, click Use Template to get full access. This will create your own editable version. The spreadsheet you receive is blank, so you can enter all your personal budget details. For more clarity, read the README section included in the file. Step 2. Go to File, Give Settings, change your location and time zone. This ensures your dates, calculations, currency type, and formatting work correctly. Step 3. Go to the Setup sheet. Add the income and expense categories you want to use. For example, salary, freelancing, groceries, transport, utility bills. These categories will automatically appear in the Transactions sheet drop-down menu. Step 4. Now open the Transactions sheet. Add your daily entries by following these steps. Double-click the Date cell to select your date. Choose Income or Expense from the drop-down. Select the category from the drop-down. Enter your budget amount. Enter your actual amount which you actually spent or earned. Add notes if needed. You can keep adding transactions every day, and all calculations will update automatically. By default, you will see amount in dollar, but can change it from top toolbar according to your currency type and change the decimal points. Step 5. Go to the summary sheet. Double-click the top right section to select your month and year. Enter your starting balance for the month. In the income section, your budget and actual amount will be pulled automatically from the transactions sheet. Your income will also update your cash flow section. Same with the expense section. Now add your savings categories and amount. The chart will show how much you have expected and how much you have actually saved. Repeat, same with bills. Tick the checkbox when done. For debt calculation, add debt amount under the bill chart, and then add your amount, how much you have paid, and tick the checkbox. Total debt will be shown under expense chart. The amount left to pay will be calculated automatically. The spreadsheet will automatically calculate totals, left to spend, and cash flow. You can view full details of your spending and saving in the pie charts, graphs, and cash flow summary. When you want to start over for next month, just delete all the entries in summary section as well as from transaction tab, and you are good to go. Or simply click the link you downloaded from Etsy and start over for new month. Check out our other products as well. Thanks for watching.